Welcome to new video. Welcome all viewers. Today topic is don't. We used to don't forget something. You can use this sentence at your home. Don't do it. Don't write on the wall. Don't go to bazaar. Don't jump on the roof. Don't make joke. Don't pull me. Don't pull me. Don't push him. Don't push him. Don't excuse him. Don't compromise. Don't shame any place. Don't joke everyone. Don't don't be shame everywhere. Don't use mobile phone every time. Don't drink alcohol. Don't drink alcohol. Don't smoke. Don't smoke. Don't play on the road. Don't hair on the wall.